Dear students, today we are going to discuss about another method to find the particular integral of the form y into e power ax, where a is a constant and v is a function. Pi p is equal to 1 by f of d into e power ax into v. Here v is a polynomial or trigonometric function, sin ax or cos ax. So in place of d, we have to replace the quotient of x, that is d plus a. Suppose quotient of x is 2, replace d with d plus 2. Suppose quotient of x is 1, replace d with d plus 1. So if v is a polynomial, we can apply, we have to take the least power common and we have to reduce into the form 1 plus d whole inverse or 1 minus d whole inverse in any form. Suppose v is a sin ax or cos ax, we have to replace d square with minus a square, or we have to apply the formula minus x by 2a into cos ax if it is a sin ax. If it is a cos ax, x by 2a into sin ax. Let's see one problem. Solve d square plus 2 of y is equal e power x into cos x. Given f of d is equal d square plus 2. Auxiliary equation is f of m is equal to 0. That is m square plus 2 is equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 2. M is equal plus or minus 2a. So the real part is 0. Complex part is root 2. So e power 0x into c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x. So particular integral yp is equal to e power x into cos x by d square plus 2. This x quotient is 1. So replace d with d plus 1. E power x into cos x by d plus 1 whole square plus 2. So e power x into cos x by d square plus 1 plus 2d plus 2. That is e power x into cos x by d square plus 2d plus 3. So cos x, here we have to apply the method 2. Cos x is a, what is quotient of x here 1. So replace d square with minus 1. So e power x into cos x by minus 1 plus 2d plus 3. That is e power x into cos x by 2d plus 2. So take 2 common. So e power x by 2 into 1 by d plus 1 into cos x. So rationalize with d minus 1. So d minus 1 by d square minus 1. So again replace d square with minus 1. So e power x by 2 into d minus 1 by minus 1, that is minus 2. So minus 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So multiply cos x inside, derivate d into cos x minus cos x. D means derivative, 1 by d means integration. Derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus cos x. So here minus into minus plus. So e power x into sin x plus cos x by 4. So this is the yp. So y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc is c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x plus e power x by 4 into sin x plus cos x. So let's see another problem. D square minus 6d plus 13 of y is equal to e power 3x into sin 2x. So sin 2x. So the f of d is equal to d square minus 6d plus 13. Suppose it is a polynomial x square, so we can do the polynomial method. So we have to take least power common, like that we have to do. Auxiliary equation f of m is equal to 0. It is m square minus 6m plus 13 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is 3 plus or minus 2i. So real part is 3 and imaginary part is 2. So e power 3x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Pi p is equal to 8 e power 3x into sin 2x. So replace d with here quotient of x is 3. So replace d with d plus 3. So 8 e power 3x into sin 2x by d plus 3 whole square minus 6 into d plus 3 plus 13. So expand d plus 3 whole square, that is d square plus 9 plus 6d, multiply minus 6 inside, minus 6d minus 18 plus 13. 8 into e power 3x into sin 2x by d square plus 4. So here if you replace d square with minus 4, it is becoming 0. So at this case we have to apply the formula. So here, so in x by 2, integral sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. So that is x by 4 into cos 2x. So here denominator is becoming 0. So here we have to apply the formula. So minus x by cos 2x by 4. So 4 2's minus 2x into e power 3x into cos 2x. So y is equal to yc plus yp. yc is e power 3x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x minus 2x into e power cos 2x. So here both the problems are in. So let's see another problem. D square minus 3d plus 2 of y is equal to x into e power 3. Before problems v is sin x and cos x like that. Here we are doing the polynomial x. So auxiliary equation f of m is equal to 0, m square minus 3m plus 2. We can find the roots by using the factors or minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. In both the methods we will get the same answer 2, 1. So 2 and 1 are real and different. So yc is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power x. So yp is equal to x e power 3x by d square minus 3d plus 2. So x quotient is here 3. So replace d with d plus 3. E power 3x into x by d plus 3 whole square minus 3 into d plus 3 plus 2. So e power 3x into x by d square plus 9 plus 6d minus 3d minus 9 plus 2. E power 3x into x by d square plus 3d plus 2. Here least power is 2. Take 2 common. 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2. E power 3x into 1 plus d square plus 3d by 2 whole inverse. So this is of the form 1 plus d whole inverse. So derivative of x is 1 and d square of x is 0. Derivative of x is 1 and d square of x is 0. So up to only one term we have to expand. So 1 plus d whole inverse. So here is plus, here is minus. Alternatively plus and minuses will come. So 1 minus d square plus 3d by 2 plus d square is 0. So that's why we are not expanding d square term. Multiply x inside. X minus d square x plus 3 into dx by 2. X minus d square of x is 0. 3 into d of x is 1. 3 by 2. So e power 3x into e power 3x by 2 into x minus 3 by 2. So this is yp. Y is equal to yc plus yp.